gosh. I don't know. I don't know. I look crazy right now. I just woke up this morning not too long ago and I'm in a good vibe this morning, as y'all can see. Like, energy is good, vibes is good, and I'm ready to tackle this hair because my hair isn't good. Guys, do not mind my lashes. Please do not mind my lashes. These things are literally falling off. I'm gonna have to fix it up a little bit because I ain't gonna be looking crazy throughout this video, but I do have a maintenance video that I'm working on today as well, so you know, it'll get fixed eventually. But if you're interested in that video, make sure you go check that one out. And other than that, that's all I had to say about my lashes. So let's get back to the video. I will be trying pipe cleaners. I've never tried pipe cleaners in my hair. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I never knew about this hairstyle until I was scrolling on Pinterest and I was like, what? I was like, oh, that'll actually be cute. And plus my hair is what? It's like, I'm trying to find something that y'all like. My hair is like right here. If I let my hair out of my ponytail, it's like right here. My hair has been growing a whole lot. Oh my gosh, like 3 years though? I feel like my hair probably would have been like right here 30 years or something, but I got Rapunzel in my jeans. That's like literally a long lost family member, so it's just been, you know, it's been growing. Let's get her styled up. I am going to show y'all everything that I will be using for this hairstyle, but a retwist, wow, I really went a long time without a retwist because yeah, she got a mini fro. She got a mini fro. So let me show y'all each and every item that I will be using real quick. First thing first is the Napstar Super Hold Retwist Gel. Forever going to vouch for this product. So this is what I'm going to be using for the retwist of my hair. Next is the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil Foaming Mousse. So I've been experimenting with this a little bit, so it's kind of like half bottle or close to half bottle, but I might use the rest of this. I don't know. I don't want to drown my hair in hair mousse, so we're going to see how this goes. Next is my Coconut Milk Detangle Elixir. This works really good when you want to detangle your roots, especially if you got a mini fro like, oh Lord. Especially if you got a mini fro like mine, like, yeah, it works really good. Next up is my hair clips. So I'm going to be using these to clip my hair in sections and keep them out of the way. I might also use some hair ties just to put some sections in ponytails or just to hold the biggest chunk of my hair out of the way. So I got some of these clips. Next, I have my retwist comb so I can do my parts and keep my hair very neat. This afro is getting to me, like. Next is my retwist container. Well, my retwist clips container is what I meant to say. So I have all of my clips in here. And last but not least, I have these pipe cleaners. Now I got this 350 count bag from Michael's, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I forgot how much I paid for it, but I got a good deal. I got a really good deal, and it's a lot in here. So we're going to be using these for my hair. I think I paid less than $2. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Now that you know all of the products I'll be using, let's jump right into this style. Okay, so I'm taking a looped part, putting it behind my locks, wrapping my lock around a little bit. I'm going to wrap around the part that I just started with a little bit and then work my way up. Oh, let me remove the clip because my hair isn't going anywhere. Bend it in half like this. Take the loop part, twist it, and then you're supposed to twist the rest of this together, making it one kind of thing. Okay, so something like this. Now that I have my shorter piece, I'm going to take the loop part, put it behind, twirl my hair in it a little bit, and then just roll up. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to do the rest. Since this one is longer, I am going to take 2 of the pipe cleaners, put them together, connect the ends like that with my loop, and then keep the rest like this. And then I'm going to twist up.
A few inches later.
I am finally done with putting these pipe cleaners in my hair. I'm gonna let it cook for 24 hours. I want it to be crispy, dry, done, like extremely finished. So I'm gonna cook it for 24 hours. It is currently 4:55 now, so 5 o'clock tomorrow. Take it out and we're gonna do the big reveal to see how this looks. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I look crazy right now. I look a little crazy. Let me do a 360 so y'all can see the back. Oh, I already see something unraveling. Oh my gosh, I gotta fix this. Now let me officially do a 360 for y'all now that that one is fixed. I cannot wait to see how this turns out, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow.
The next day.
I'm thinking about taking my hair out a little bit early. I know I said I was gonna let it cook for, 24 hours, but it is currently 2 o'clock and I put this in my hair 4 o'clock yesterday. Well, I finished up at 4 o'clock yesterday, so we're about 2 hours shy. No, I think I finished up at 5. Well, we're about a few hours shy of, the 24-hour mark. So what I'm going to do now is grab a bag so I can put all of these pipe cleaners in. And then I also have some castor oil. And the brand I use is this brand here, the best brand, natural simple ingredients, which is what I always look for. And I just have some in my little travel bottle because I'm actually taking it with me on a trip. So I'm just going to use some of this, put it in my hands, and then take my hair down. I am almost done taking out my hair and I'm feeling it. I feel like it needs to be styled up, of course, but like, oh my gosh, I'm really loving my hair right now.
Many unbearable hours later.
Guys, oh my gosh. Oh guys, I can't. I love it. Like, I love it. It is better than what I expected. I didn't know what to expect, I'm gonna be honest. I expected it to come out halfway curly, half not, but the whole head is curly. Like, I'm gonna do a 360 so y'all can see the full view. I didn't even do my edges. Ooh, keep it down for now because I got a flight tomorrow, so I'm like, I'm doing my edges for my flight and go really do it for the video, even though I want to show you my edges, but at the end of the day I had a flight to get on and I want them to be crispy. But they're there, they're very much there. I didn't pull them all in. I got enough, space to work with. But other than that, if you have any questions, concerns, feedback, anything, be sure to leave it down in the comments below and I'll be sure to interact with you. And if you want to see my upcoming footage of my trip or just, future videos from me, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get notified each and every time I post a new video. And with that being said, I'm going to see you in my next one.